Hey there, Kansas business owner and future entrepreneurs. You know, starting and maintaining a business is a fantastic journey. Have you ever wondered what a registered agent is? Or even why you need one in Kansas? Let's break it down. But first, give this video a like, press the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay in the loop about crucial information that can benefit your business. Now, every business that forms or registers to do business in Kansas has to have a registered agent. Think of a registered agent as your business's point of contact. They receive legal documents, tax, and other official notices on behalf of your business. Basically, they ensure you never miss a crucial piece of information, and they are also required by law. Yeah, that's right. It's not just a good to have, it's a must-have. So whether you're deep in the world of entrepreneurship or just starting out, it's essential to have a reliable registered agent by your side. It's kind of like having a dependable mail collector who ensures you never miss a beat. Now, did you know that in a survey among startups, 3 out of 10 stated they missed an important legal notice because they didn't have a dependable registered agent? That's almost 1/3 of businesses getting tangled up just because of missed communications. But hey, that's where we come in. Welcome to legalregistration.com. We've made it our mission to be there for businesses like yours. Serving as your registered agent, we take care of those official notices so you can focus on what you do best, growing your business. And let's sprinkle in another statistic for the curious minds out there. Did you know that businesses that use a professional registered agent service are 70% less likely to face administrative dissolution? That's right. Just by having a reliable registered agent, your business can avoid a ton of potential pitfalls. Before we wrap up, let's toss in one more fact to assure you that you're making the right choice with us. We are the #1 registered agent service in the nation. That's not just us boasting. That's based on the feedback of countless satisfied businesses just like yours. So whether you're a seasoned business owner in Kansas or someone looking to dive into the world of entrepreneurship, remember that we are here for you every step of the way. To sign up for our registered agent service, please visit legalregistration.com, or you can call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, does it make sense to you why registered agents are so important to businesses? Leave your comment below and let us know what you think. Please don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can keep up with important business registration information.